In English, stress is everything. In English, stress is everything. Listen, record versus record. One is a noun, the other is a verb. Same spelling, totally different function. So for English learners, if you don't get stressed right, people might not even understand you. Say content when you mean content, and you've changed your whole sentence. Examples, a rebel, which is a noun. The stress is on the first syllable, versus to rebel, which is a verb, where the stress is on the second syllable. An invite, which is a noun, where the stress is on the first syllable, versus to invite, where the stress is on the second syllable. A convict, which is a noun, where the stress is on the first syllable, versus to convict, where the stress is on the second syllable. If you want more information about stress and English pronunciation, come and register at our center. The link is in our bio.
To make a brighter day, so let's start giving. There's a choice we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me.